So on this one, they need you to find the secant of theta if the sine of theta is 7 over 25. Well, we know that sine is so opposite over hypotenuse. So I'm going to draw my little triangle. And the opposite, we'll put theta here, the opposite is going to be 7, and the hypotenuse is going to be 25. So we need to find this guy right down here. So if we have 7 squared plus x squared equals 25 squared, x squared equals 625 minus 49, x squared equals 576, x equals 24. And they want us to find the secant. So secant is the opposite of cosine. So adjacent over hypotenuse, the cosine of theta is 24 over 25. The secant of theta is 25 over 24.